Elsevier Learning Management System Transition, Moving to Brightspace by D2L. This video covers the top 5 differences between using Elsevier's Evolve LMS and Brightspace by D2L, the new registration process for requesting products in Evolve, and adding Evolve content to your Brightspace course using Evolve Link. This section walks through the top 5 differences between using Elsevier's Evolve LMS and the Brightspace by D2L LMS. First, let's compare the navigation between Evolve and Brightspace. Some items are the same, some have slightly different titles, and some we'll need to dive deeper into. Here are the 5 differences we'll look at in more detail in this video. The first column is the item name in Elsevier's Evolve LMS, and the second column shows the new name and/or path where to find that item in Brightspace. Note, these are not in any order of importance. Let's start with modules and submodules. In Elsevier's Evolve LMS, you had folders, but in Brightspace, you have modules and submodules. Modules are added by clicking on the Content tab, then clicking on Add a Module in the left side navigation. Type in what you want that module to be named. The module now appears in the table of contents. Click on the module to open that week. The content for that week now appears. To add submodules, click on Add a Submodule. Type the name of the submodule, and then click Enter. That module now appears. Clicking on the chevron next to the module at the top gives you selections to choose from regarding that module, including editing the title or deleting the module. You can move modules or submodules by dragging them in the left side navigation. Now let's look at the calendar. Your calendar can be accessed by going to Course Tools, then Calendar. Depending on your institution's LMS admin, the calendar may have its own tab on the homepage. The calendar can be viewed as Agenda, Day, Week, Month, or List. To create an event, click Create Event, enter an event title, add a description, and a date. Complete Add Reoccurrence and Add Restriction if needed. Add a location if needed. Then click the Create button. The item now displays in the calendar. You can only create events in courses in which you are an instructor. Notice that you can view events from all calendars or events from a specific calendar. You also have the ability to add a task. Check the box next to any task to mark them completed. Click on View Completed Tasks to view them. Clicking on Settings in the top right allows you to edit calendar settings. Now let's look at Classlist. In Evolve, you went to Rosters and Teams, but in Brightspace, you'll click on Course Tools, then Classlist. You can view all students, instructors, and TAs. Emails can be sent to students, individuals, or as a group by clicking on the email icon. By clicking on the chevron by the student's name, you can send an email, impersonate a student, view progress, or view group enrollments. We'll look at impersonating a student later. Let's look at View Progress. Here you can view the progress summary for this student, including grades, discussions, assignments, login history, and other information. Clicking Enrollment Statistics gives you a summary of enrollments and withdrawals for this course. Next, let's look at class progress. In Elsevier's Evolve LMS, you went to Login Report, but in Brightspace, you'll go to Class Progress. You can view all students' content, objectives, logins, and grades in one screen. By clicking on a student's name, you are back to the progress summary screen we saw earlier. Scrolling to the bottom of the individual student's progress summary screen, you can see the student's last login time. Click on Settings in the top right to edit the order of the items listed in Class Progress. Now let's look at viewing as a student. Go to Course Tools, then Classlist. You can impersonate a student by clicking on the chevron by any student's name, then select Impersonate. Notice the student's name now shows in the top right corner. Click on the X next to Impersonating Sample Student to switch back to your own access. To view as a generic student, click on your profile name in the top right corner, then click View as Student. You are now impersonating a generic student. Click on the X next to Viewing as a Student to switch back to your own access. For more assistance using Brightspace, you can go to community.brightspace.com. Here you'll find many tutorials and videos for help. Now, let's walk through the new registration process for requesting products in Evolve. First, log into your Evolve instructor account. Notice any existing Evolve products are listed in your My Evolve product list. From here, click on Catalog, and then search for the desired product by using the product name, author, or ISBN number, and then click Go. On the product page, the center section has additional details regarding this product. To request this product, click Request. If your school is using Brightspace, click the radio button next to Choose Your LMS and click Brightspace by D2L. When choosing this option, more details are required, so in the delivery method, select Evolve Link from the dropdown and ensure you enter your LMS administrator's name and email. And if desired, enter the projected course enrollment and any comments. Finally, click Apply. Your content is placed into a shopping cart. Notice your selected hosting option is displayed below the product. You can change this by clicking Change. When you're ready to check out, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Checkout Redeem. If you have your sales rep code, enter it here, and enter a promotional code here and click Apply if applicable. Be sure to check the box next to Yes, I am an instructor, and then to complete your request, click Checkout Redeem. The confirmation page lists the item or items you have requested. Please note the message about the instructor verification process. You receive an email once your order is verified and fulfilled. This may take a few days. Now that your request has been approved and fulfilled, let's verify the product is in your My Evolve list. Now, let's look at how to add Evolve content to your Brightspace course using Evolve Link. To get started, once inside your Brightspace course, click on Content to add the Evolve Link tool. From within the desired section of your course, click on Existing Activities, and then External Learning Tools. Choose Evolve Link. Please note, if you don't see Evolve Link, you will need to contact your LMS administrator to get the tool added to Brightspace for your institution. To ensure the link opens in a new tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the link, and then click Edit Properties in Place. Check the box next to Open as External Resource. Now click on the Evolve Link tool. This opens your Evolve My Content page. On the My Content list, find the product to which you want to link. You can either link to the main content library from here by clicking Create Link, or you can create links to individual items or folders within each product by clicking on the product name and finding the item or folder you want to link to. Once you find the item or level to which you want to link, click on Create Link. A URL is generated for this link. Click Copy URL. Return to your Brightspace course and add a link for the students to access the Evolve content. Under Existing Activities, click on External Learning Tools. click Create New LTI Link. Provide the link a name and paste the copied URL into the URL field. And then click Create and Insert. To ensure the link opens in a new tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the link and then click Edit Properties in Place. Check the box next to Open as External Resource. Click the newly created link to ensure its accuracy. You are now in the correct Evolve content. Repeat this process to build your Brightspace course with links to Evolve content. And that's it! Now you understand the top 5 differences between using Elsevier's Evolve LMS and Brightspace. You understand the new registration process for requesting products in Evolve, and you know how to add Evolve content to your Brightspace course using Evolve Link. Thanks for watching!